Visit Shapo.io and click Start Free. No credit card is needed, making it a hassle-free sign-up. Verify your email, and you're all set to explore your Shapo dashboard. Ready to import your Google reviews? Navigate to Import Testimonials in your dashboard. Select Google Business, find your listing, and choose the reviews you want to showcase. Once your Google Business listing has been selected, click Fetch Reviews. Then select the reviews you want to import. Once selected, click Import Reviews. Your reviews are now ready to be transformed into stunning widgets. It's that easy to bring your customer feedback to life. Head to the Widgets tab and click Create a Widget. You will be prompted to name your widget. Once you name it, hit Create. Your reviews will already be loaded into your widget for you. Choose a layout, carousel or single, both available on the free plan. Go ahead and start customizing your widget's fonts and colors to match your website style seamlessly. When creating your widget, you also have the options to filter reviews by star rating or tags to highlight the best ones. This ensures your visitors see the most impactful feedback, enhancing your site's credibility. Once satisfied with your widget design, click Save in the top right corner to save your widget and its customizations. Then click Add to your website. Copy the snippet provided, and you're ready to embed it on your website, showcasing your reviews effortlessly. Once your widget is ready in Shapo, adding it to your Squarespace site takes just a minute. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to the page where you want your reviews to appear. Click Edit, then hover over the section where you want the widget and click the plus button to add a new block. From the block options, choose Embed. Now go back to your Shapo dashboard, click Get Embed Code on your widget, and copy the snippet provided. Paste that code from your Shapo dashboard right into the Squarespace Embed block settings. Click Apply, then save the page, and your live reviews will appear instantly. Here's the best part. Anytime you want to make a change, whether it's updating colors, switching layouts, or showing only your 5-star reviews, you can do it directly from your Shapo dashboard. Once you hit Save, the changes are automatically reflected on your Squarespace site. No need to re-embed the code or re-edit the page. It's seamless, fast, and designed to keep your site looking fresh with real customer feedback. Start showcasing your best reviews today. Try Shapo for free at Shapo.io.